Hey guys, Josh Sexton, luxury broker at listingsatampa.com and Piney Woods Realty, back for another 3 quick tips. Number 1, when you are looking to buy real estate, whether it's cash flowing or otherwise, get a pro forma done. Do it yourself. There's templates online. Call me, run a cash flow analysis, figure out what potential tax advantages that there may be. Number 2, look for properties that have been on market a while. This is a great tactic. I teach negotiation on my buyer clients if they're having a tough time finding product. Same thing applies to investors. Find something that's a little bit dated. As far as on market, it might be a little bit of a stale listing, but you're gonna have a little more negotiation room. And number 3, most important thing, and a lot of times I'll coach my agents that are investing or my clients, let's look for off-market product, stuff that's not on the MLS. You can do that with simple handwritten note cards or letters to certain properties that you might be interested in the neighborhood. If you have any other questions regarding investing, please reach out to me directly. Have a great one.